In a quiet little antique shop, tucked between shelves of dusty books and forgotten trinkets, there stood a mirror named Mira. Mira wasn't just any mirror. She was old, with a silver frame carved with vines and stars, and a heart full of wisdom. She had seen many faces over the years, some joyful, some worried, some pretending to be something they were not. Each day, people would pass by her and glance, fixing their hair, adjusting their smiles, then walking away. Mira never said a word, but she noticed everything. One rainy afternoon, a young girl named Clara came into the shop with her mother. Clara had kind eyes and a gentle smile, but her shoulders were slouched with sadness. As her mother browsed, Clara wandered to Myra's corner and looked into the glass. She frowned. "I don't like how I look," she whispered. Myra's surface shimmered, just a little, and to Clara's surprise, the reflection changed. In the mirror, Clara saw not just her face, but memories. She saw herself helping her little brother tie his shoes, comforting a classmate who had been crying, and gently rescuing a bird with a hurt wing. Clara gasped, "That's me, but I don't remember looking like that." Mira glowed warmly. Her silent message was clear. True beauty comes from what's inside, the kindness you give, the love you share. Clara's eyes filled with tears, but they were happy ones. She stood taller, smiled at herself, and whispered, "Thank you." From that day on, Mira became known as the magic mirror, though she didn't do tricks or spells. She simply showed people the truth they often forgot. That worth isn't measured by how you look, but by how you make others feel. Many faces came and went, but Myra's mission never changed, to reflect not just the outside, but the heart within. And if you ever walk by her and look deep enough, you might just see her true self smiling back.